everyone, start off by drawing this S and then connect it to two vertical lines on either side and then make this almost B shape. Afterwards, add ears on either side of it. One will be cat ears and the other will be bunny ears. Add on the eyes and then add the cute little snout as well. Add tails for both of them. Make it as bushy and fluffy as possible. Add the paw marks and then the whiskers, and then afterwards color it in using some of the colors in patches as such all throughout. Next, start off by drawing the circular shape, then add a T shape underneath it, connect it to a horizontal line at the bottom. Make it into a B shape and then on either side connect the sides. Make these curved lines as well and then add the cat ears at the top. Add eyes at the top as well and then add a cute little snout along with a mouth to it. Add a collar to it along with a bell, and now afterwards add a fluffy tail at the back. Take this mustard color and then color this dog in. Next, we'll start off by drawing the number 6 and then afterwards draw on the number 2. Now, do the number 7 and connect the 2 as such. Add the ears at the top, which can also be an opposite facing 3. Add the eyes and a cute little snout along with a mouth to it. Now, add the tail at the back. Once you're done with this, move on to the whiskers and then add them on either side of it. Use a shade of greyish blue as well as yellow in order to color it in. Start off by drawing the circular shape, add a 6 underneath it along with 2 1s on either side. Afterwards, add these curved lines to it and then on either side, add ears to it as well. Add on the eyes and then add a cute little snout along with a mouth to it. Add a collar along with a bell, now add a fluffy tail at the back. Once you are done with this, color it in using a red marker. Do this for the ears, the back and the eyes accordingly. Next, we'll start off by drawing this ovular shape and then on top at the ears, begin to add these marks to it. Add on the eyes as well and then a cute little snout along with a mouth to it. Now, once you are done with this, add this little cloud shape around the face as such. Add a 6 shape underneath along with a 1. Connect the 2 together by drawing on the feet as such. Now, after you are done with this, add on the tail, add the whiskers of this line and then color this in. Start off by drawing 2 horizontal lines and then add these 2 curved lines on top of it. Make the feet for both of them and then add this U shape to it. Add another layer to the U shape, add the bunny to the top. After you've added the bunny, add eyes and then add a cute little mouth to it. Now add seeds in the front and then afterwards begin to color it in accordingly. Color in the ears and then color in the watermelon. Next, we'll start off by drawing this opposite facing 3 and then afterwards dot the 3 on either side of it as well. Now, add the arms to it on either side, add a cute fluffy little tail at the back and then afterwards draw on the eyes to it. Now, add a little mouth and then draw a carrot in the middle of it all. Add these lines to it and then color in the ears as well. Color in the mouth as such, color in the carrot. Next, we'll start off by drawing 2 circles and then connecting 2 of them as such. Now, add these back portions to it and then on top of it, add a little bunny to it. Add on the ears, add the eyes and then add a cute little mouth to it as well. Draw on the lines on the carrot and then afterwards draw on the marks of the paws as well. After you are done with this, once again, take a marker, make the pink of the cheeks and the ears as well and then color in the carrot. Next, we'll start off by drawing this ladybug and then color this in. Color it in red and black accordingly, add on the legs on either side. Next, we'll start off by drawing this worm and then afterwards add on these multiple stripes as well as the sting at the back, add the wings at the top. Add the antenna to the top of this and then afterwards draw the lines at the back. Now add the legs in the front and then afterwards add the legs at the back as well. Add the antenna and then afterwards add a smiley face for the last worm. Thank you for watching.